Good morning, Vitae family. You're welcome to yet another training session for Vitae business and understanding your Vitae back office. Today, I'm going to be training on registration. This is just one of the first steps of registration. Once you receive a link, it could be from any social media platform or direct message to you. You just follow the link and follow this video keenly, and you'll get yourself registered on Vitae. Before we proceed, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you keep having notifications when I post educative content on Vitae. So without wasting much time, let's get it. So I'm clicking on my link right now, and I prefer using the Google Chrome browser. Okay, my referrer here is Annabelle G, and that's myself. So I'm just using some characters, an imaginary person, but on Vitae, certainly Vitae only deals with real people. So this is for the purpose of this registration, so you learn a lot. Then the do's and don'ts. I really like to draw your attention to the do's and don'ts of Vitae. When you're registering, first of all, ensure that you have the correct spelling of your email address and know your email service provider. So endeavor to put the right email address, otherwise you don't receive a confirmation email for Vitae and you get stuck somewhere. So that's why it's very important. Another thing you should take note of is the registration as a person or an entity or a company. On Vitae, you either register as an individual or a company. So if you're an individual, you have nothing to do with VAT or company name, so don't worry. Username, use something you would always remember, because if you forget your username, you'll not be able to sign in, and same goes for password. So let's proceed with registrations now. Okay, I need to select what country I'm from. So you scroll down until you find your country. If you're registered as a company, you enable this here, otherwise not. Okay, here I'm going to find a username. Blessed beyond. Okay, for the sake of okay, ensure to read terms and conditions, and when you're done reading, understanding privacy policies, then you can check the boxes. Then do not forget your username and password. It's always important to check the information all over again to be sure that you have properly entered all the boxes or the entries. No. Okay, so submit. Come on. Okay. Why is it doing this? Okay. Oh, the email is incomplete. I didn't even notice that. So these are some of the errors that are very important to take note of. Yahoo.com. Okay. So now we can submit. And that was successful. Also, I would like to notify you to always read every information that is given to you every step of the way. Here we have registration successful. Thank you for joining us on vitae.co. We have sent a verification link to your email address. If we didn't read this, we wouldn't have known this. Please click the verification link to activate your account. So let's go over to my email. I'm minimizing the screen and I need to check my email right now. Okay. Come on, Yahoo. I don't. Okay. Okay, agree. So when you don't see your email, you can refresh like I did and you will get it if you have adequate network. So here is the link I'm supposed to be using or be clicking. I use Chrome browser. I prefer it. It's a lot faster and successfully verified. So the next thing is we log in. So just have to remember the username and the password. Okay, so let's log in now. At this stage, we are required to complete our profile. It's very important to complete your profile. Let me select a phone number. Always put your country code first. Okay. Remember, the most important information to put are the ones with the asterisk. Abuja is my city. My zip code is 9000271. Okay, and for address, always ensure to just keep spaces between the words and the number. Don't put commas and full stops. They don't work for the entry. Okay, so we save it now. My profile is updated. Next is we navigate to the back office to continue or to complete this registration. Here is where I'm supposed to click right now. Edit. And we go to social media. You can see social media here. That's where you have to be first of all to complete your profile. Yeah, after 14 days, you're reminded that if your account is not credited with $200, you are going to be deleted from the system. That's what this message is about. Okay. So the next place to click is here. So we can edit profile. Click on profile. The next place to click is here on this green circle. That's where we will be able to upload a profile picture. It's very important on Vitae to upload a profile picture to complete your registration. So let's select a profile, a picture from my files. Okay, and we get a better picture. Well, on my recent photos, I don't have anything interesting, so I have to click on more options. So I choose my photos. That may lead me to more photos. Screenshots might be better, or downloads. Okay, I would like to put something really. Okay, so I'm selecting from download. And here's the photo I'm going to be uploading as my profile picture. So here we can resize, and I choose to resize and shift a little bit. I prefer it like this. So you can adjust your profile picture according to how you want it to look like. So let's upload it now. This is where I'm going to click to upload. It's uploading, and here I got my profile picture uploaded now. So next stage is generating a wallet address. It's very important, and you cannot generate a wallet address without uploading a profile picture. So let's go straight to generating the wallet address. Need to click here, and we are off to MBO. Sorry about that. MBO. That's my back office. What's the next step? You have to click on index, and Vitae wallet. Okay, scroll down to generate address. Okay, I'm required to put my password. Okay, this is actually a sample account. It's going to be deleted after this, so don't worry about my password. Okay, let's generate it. Okay, now the address has been generated. They're asking me to save my password. I don't want to. So now that our address has been generated, you scroll down and you're going to see the generated address. Here it is. You can click to copy, or just click this QRT code. So if I do this, it copies automatically. Okay, it's copied. So what I'm going to do is I'll save this code, or this address, sorry. I'm going to save this address on like my WhatsApp or my email to always have it handy if someone asks me for my Vitae wallet address, to credit it with some Vitae tokens in order to activate my account. So I'll drop this somewhere on WhatsApp. Okay, let me just do WhatsApp. Annabelle. I always write messages to myself, and there it is.